This magic moment, so different and so new, was like any other, until I kissed you, and then it happened, and it took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, by the look in your eyes, sweeter than a wine, softer than a summer night. Everything I want I have, whenever I hold you tight. This magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our future. Our future, our future, our future. Y'all please hold the applause to the end of the ceremony. Let's go. Around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners. On deck, take a swing, sharper senses, looking for a weakness in the system. Finally, it's you and me, here shaking like a tambourine. We in this finally, both sides of the cemetery. Attention people, y'all get ready, this is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out here. Let me introduce to you, try to catch up, we out here. That future hit. Are you ready? That future hit. Take a minute to refrain from acting green. If you're losing, you should join another team. Y'all should breathe, let me play another theme. At the start, this one nothing but a dream. Now it feels like victory, about to live another fantasy. Everybody clap with me, we're about to make history. Come on, attention people, y'all get ready, this is for everybody. Try to catch up, we out here. Let me introduce to you, try to catch up, we out here. That future hit. Hit. That future, that future, that future, that future.